So, as your fan, I'd like to know what you're doing today.
Dips.
Oh, you're gonna make a dip?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, guys. So my little rugrats at this point is just mixing all of the ingredients up together. They have the peanut butter. They also began to tussle back and forth with one another, lick their hands. But they did continuously mix the ingredients and work together as a team. Um, yeah, so that's what's pretty much going on here. I didn't want to belabor the process, so we're just gonna breeze right through this process here and then reconnect with the two chefs.
So first you hold it under. Oh, she got it.
She got it? Okay, so we're gonna need 5 of these. So do 1 and make sure you count. So
Okay.
Akila, when he pour in the tablespoon, then you pour it in the bowl. Good.
Good one. Put it back under there. Good 2. Under there. 3. 4.
Try not to go over.
And 5.
Good job.
Good.
Now mix it.
No, we're not ready to mix yet, Akila.
Now where's my spatula? Good. Oh my gosh.
I did
Milk, cinnamon,
milk,
butter, milk cheese, milk
It's
cheese.
not grilled cheese. Cream.
Cream cheese. Oh my gosh. This is looking so good.
yeah.
Great. I'm so glad it's looking good.
Welcome back, everybody. We are about to cook some apples.
Apple.
Cut them with our knives. Look at us chop these.
I said we actually can't see you chopping because the cinnamon is in the way. So can you sit the cinnamon to the side?
Oh, sorry, guys.
Great.
Now can I see us chopping?
Yeah, that's a little bit.
Gosh, how is it? How do you cut this? Oh, I got it! Oh my gosh.
I saw you too.
Stop it. Can you taste the dip?
It's made me drop my
Akila,
dip.
can you taste the dip?
Good!
It tastes good. It's delicious.
Yes.
Awesome. You give it 5 stars. Good. Akila, can you taste the dip? Don't put any more apples. Can you taste the dip? Stop throwing. It tastes good?
I'm taking another one of these.
I'm so glad it tastes delicious. We moved away from the other D word.